Hey guys, so I don't know who you are, but today I'm going to show you guys how to get a PolyBuzz AI mod for your device. So this works in 2026. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So if you guys need stuff for free on the PolyBuzz AI, I will show you guys how to get it for free. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser. And what we need to do is go over to this website. So the website we're going to go to is called hexmods.com. So let me just type it in. So once you're on this site, guys, go to the search bar and type in PolyBuzz AI. And as you can see, it's going to come right up. So press on it, press the download button, and before this downloads, there's going to be a verification. So you just need to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then you'll have the PolyBuzz AI mod on your device. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second. And basically it's going to say like missing files, additional files are required, and you have to download 2 of these apps, which are completely free from official app store. Once you do this, you will get the PolyBuzz AI mod on your device. So you can see we got Travel Town. This one says down and reach level 9. So I just press continue, takes me to the app store, and I just got to play through it until I reach level 10 or whatever, or level 9. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but you just want to make sure you run some of these apps and you're going to be good to go. So as you can see, I just got to like play through this right here. So it's pretty easy. So as you can see, I'm just like running this. So I'm just playing through it. And then once I'm done, guys, just go back to the list and do more. So we got like TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. World Winner says follow instructions on the next page, which are to install the app and open it. So overall, guys, this is very easy to do, but be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get PolyBuzz AI mod on your device. So let's go to the search bar and type in PolyBuzz AI just so you guys can see how bad it is. So let me just type it in. I don't know if it will come up. You also do not need the app installed. This is a separate mod. But as you can see, guys, the coins are very expensive and everything. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you. But obviously, if you clicked on this video, chances are you don't want to pay. Also, make sure you go to settings and you got low power mode off. Also, go to general and make sure you got background app refresh turned on, and you should be good to go. So yeah, guys, if you are not happy with this payment, definitely go ahead and try us out. It's super cool. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to get rich on the PolyBuzz AI. So this is super insane, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this fully works, guys, and it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is actually working. And I've tried methods like this before, but nothing really works for me. But this is a new way, guys, and it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But if you want to get PolyBuzz AI mod for free coins, energy, all that stuff, you've got to try us out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's no jailbreaking involved and no computer needed. So get the word out, guys. This is super cool, but I'm going to see you in another one. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get a PolyBuzz AI mod for your phone. Literally, guys, the only thing I will say is make sure you got that background refresh on and you got that low power mode off, and you're going to be good to go, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it because this is super crazy. Totally works, guys. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one, but yeah, tell your friends because this is so cool and it's updated and everything. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is crazy stuff and it's updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace out, my gang.